Hello everyone, my name is David Sherman and I'd like to welcome you to my portfolio. Today I'm going to show you why I stand out amongst all other applicants. As you can see, I'm currently a student pursuing a professional career in education. In the near future, I'd like to become a high school English teacher and have the opportunity to coach both baseball and football. I provided a quote that in my opinion is the perfect representation of education and teaching. Solomon Ortiz says, "Education is the key to success in life, and teachers make a lasting impact in the lives of their students," and I couldn't agree more. Now that we have checked out my homepage, how about we learn a little more about me? As you can see, I love baseball and football, and I'd love to coach one day. But for now, I'm currently a student at Stockton University. With the hopes of becoming a teacher, I have declared as a literature major with a concentration in secondary education. In conjunction with my major, I have also declared a minor in disability studies. I have a passion for education and strive to become a high school special education English language arts teacher and an athletic coach in the near future. Let's take a look at another reason why you should hire me, my resume and work experience. Although my resume is not complete, be on the lookout over the summer for the completed version. I'm sure you'll be impressed. In regards to my education, I have earned both a high school diploma from Matawan Regional High School and an associate's degree from Brookdale Community College, and now I'm pursuing a bachelor's degree at Stockton University, where I hold a 4.0 GPA and am a Dean's List student. I have held a number of jobs in the workforce, from being a busboy and server to camp counselor, and even a summer school aide at a special needs school. I pride myself in volunteering, as I've been a Relay for Life team captain, community outreach chair, and held many other positions for Relay for Life, along with being involved with Bambino Buddy Ball, a special needs baseball organization, and I've held many positions since 2013. And most recently, I'm involved with Circle K International, a service organization here at Stockton University. As I said, don't forget to come back for my completed lesson plan this summer. I encourage you to read my philosophical statement that I have provided in a Word document. All you have to do is double click. And remember, I hope to inspire, teach, and motivate my students. Once you have read my philosophical statement, I recommend you view the lesson plan I created in my instructional technology course. The lesson plan that I made is on Frankenstein. All you have to do is double click to download the Word document. I hope you enjoy. After viewing my lesson plan, check out the amazing projects I've created over the semester. If my lesson plan made you excited about Frankenstein, click on either image to take a Google quiz or Edpuzzle. The image will take you directly to the website. A few other awesome projects that I've done are made word clouds, an interactive whiteboard, and all you have to do is click on these images and it'll take you directly to the websites. You can see another video of who I am, a Powtoon of my experience in instructional technology, and here's additional projects that I've created. Again, just click on the images. I hope I came across as a strong candidate for your school district. If you need to contact me, you could do so by phone or email, which could be found under the contact section. Thank you again for your time and consideration. I look forward to hearing back from you.